In the Australian poultry industry, feed represents a large proportion of production cost, and feed ingredients often vary in their quality. Poultry diets are generally designed to meet nutritional requirements at the lowest possible cost, or least cost feed formulation. But egg producers can find economic and productivity advantages with alternative feed formulations. These will help improve the flexibility and profitability of their business and reduce the impact of feed ingredient variability on performance and profits. Alternative approaches include max profit and stochastic feed formulation, which help nutritionists create diets which take into account hen production and business profits rather than just minimising costs. Recent research indicated that there's interest among poultry nutritionists to implement the max profit and stochastic methods. But nutritionists have trouble using these methods in the poultry industry because there is inadequate software and tools available, and insufficient training for them. Australian Eggs will work on providing better resources to nutritionists, but in the meantime, there are steps farmers can take to get more from feed, like keeping track of flock performance and health so comparisons can be made between performance and diet. This way you'll be better informed when speaking with your provider or nutritionist in the future. When making feed purchase decisions, bear in mind that a cheaper diet doesn't necessarily mean more profits, as hen health and productivity can be compromised. If speaking with a nutritionist or feed provider, speak to them about other feed and diet options and keep track of how they perform. Egg farming is now more than ever a challenging business, and with costs of all inputs rising, thinking more sustainably about feed makes good business sense. If you'd like more information, contact Australian Eggs.